The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has received at least 4 notable improvements over its predecessor, according to the well-known leaker Ice Universe. The source has discussed 4 important aspects of the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra that may not have been as frequently reported about, as much as the expected 200 megapixels main camera and slightly flatter display. There shouldn't be much of a fair Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus Galaxy S22 Ultra contest, as the former is expected to be filled to the brim with current cutting-edge smartphone tech. There have been many lines already said about the rumored 200 megapixels main camera, the tweaked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the less curvy corners for the S23 Ultra, and now Ice Universe has decided to focus on some other areas that may have been overlooked. In a paraphrasing nutshell, this is how the leaker claims the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be much better than its predecessor. First, the speaker sound and the bass quality have been improved. Second, the S22 Ultra's focus issues have been solved for the successor. Third, camera shake has been significantly reduced, and lastly, the microphone is excellent. While our thorough testing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra didn't reveal any particular problems with the camera focus, issues have been frequently reported elsewhere. Complaints about the focus have included adjectives such as laggy, glitchy, and of course, blurry. Those were fixed with a software update, and the cameras of the subsequent models were tweaked for better results. Now the Ultra is jumping to a new generation of sensors, and if the cat is right, there should be no repeat of the S20 Ultra issues. The leaker also claims that the camera image stabilization system has been greatly improved. In regard to sound, most reviewers discovered how bass was hardly to be found in audio reproduction, and there have been many S22 Ultra buyers who have mentioned tinny, weak, or quiet speakers. So if these 2 vital areas really have been improved with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, there will be a lot of satisfied customers around. Video and image stabilization for the Galaxy S22 Ultra was already considered to be better than that of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, so it would be unsurprising if the Galaxy S23 Ultra carried on the improvement theme in this particular aspect too, especially if it resulted in shooting sharper photos when zoom is involved. Last but not least, the tipster claims the S23 Ultra has an excellent microphone. While we had no issues with the voice and call quality of the predecessor, there were some reports of faulty microphones, so there would be no harm done if Samsung had decided to improve this less glamorous but still salient feature of its 2023 flagship smartphone. The Galaxy S23 series is 3 weeks away from launch day, and Samsung is offering discounts to those who book a phone early. Improvements to the camera focus and loudspeaker performance may not be what drives buyers to get one, but these things could make owners happier in the long term. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.